Oh, you've arrived. No. Stargazer Navalia is governed by the artisan, just like at Cloudford, with monsters wreaking havoc.
So we've got a bunch of monsters to deal with, an IPC. That's the trailblazing life for ya.
I wouldn't say you're entirely on your own. When you're ready. Shall we, my benefactors? Now, what's a hunt without a hound? Kafka is still at large, and the Skyfaring Commission wants this problem to go away. I made a few calls and managed to procure this from the artisan.
Aww, he's so cute! I mean, what can he do exactly? Are we gonna set him loose on Kafka?
Yes and no. This is Ting, a bionic dog developed by be it tracks or scent, as long as he uncovers a trace. All we need to do is look for any trace left by Kafka. But before we get started, to begin with, let's set him to scent detection mode. Tell Ting to follow the scent of my perfume and see what he can do.
We need to follow these sparkly traces to find Miss Tingyun, right? She's not in a hurry, that's for sure. Playing hide and seek with us while Kafka's still at large?
How time flies.
From inside the pilot house came the jet.
The traces. Where did they go? Is Ting melt? Got it. He says the wind is too strong here at the port, so it's not easy. That's just the psychic bond between cute girls and cute puppies.
Using the environment to hide her traces. Our girl...
Or we could ask around. Look how big...